we are going to do the experiment of deploying the smart contract using Ganache. So for that we need the Ganache setup, and we also need the Ether wallet. So these two files have to be downloaded and installed. So Ganache, after installing, you will get the IDE like this. So this is Ganache IDE, and you have to unzip the Ether wallet, and if you unzip this Ether wallet, you will have an index file. So you have to launch this index file. That will take you to this Chrome browser. Okay, so to start off the exercise, what we are going to do is, like, first we have to create a node in the Ethereum. So on the right side you can create a new node here. Okay, we add custom node. This is my new node, so let's have new 2, and you have to copy the address. So this address you have to get it from the Ganache. So you have to go to Ganache here and copy the address here. Okay, then we have to come back to Ether wallet, paste it here. Okay, so this port number alone we will write it here. So it is 7545 and it is Ether, so you save and use custom node. Okay, now after creating the new node, now go under the contracts folder. Okay, so under the contracts folder we have interact with the contract or deploy the contract. Okay, you will have two options. So now first we have to do the deploy contract. So to deploy the contract we need to have the bytecode. So this bytecode has to be obtained from the Remix. So in the Remix, this is a program that I am going to deploy it using Ganache. So this program has to be written in the Remix IDE and then compiled. After compilation, every program compiled, you will have ABI and bytecode. So you have to copy this bytecode and then paste it in the Ether wallet. Okay, so yeah, only the numbers has to be present, the remaining items has to be deleted. Once you fill the bytecode properly, automatically your gas limit comes. Then how will you access to your wallet? So for that we have to give the option as private key. So once you click on the private key, this box will be open where you have to paste your private key. So to get this private key, you have to go back to Ganache, and there are a lot of accounts here. Okay, you can click on any of these accounts and then copy this. Okay, so this address has to be copied to your Ether wallet. So I have pasted the private key here. So then you unlock it. Okay, so down you will be getting wallet successfully decrypted. Now what you have to do is, you have to just click on sign transaction. Yes, then you have to click on deploy contract. Now it will ask you, are you want to do the deployment? Yes, I want to make sure. So once your transaction is confirmed, then you will get a green color indication like that, right? So now we have deployed the contract. Now we have to interact with the contract. How does your program run? So you have to go for your contract here. Okay, so now it is asking you the contract address first. So you have to go to your Ganache. Okay, on the transactions, if you see, there will be a contract address, right? So this contract address you have to copy and come to Ether wallet. Okay, you have to copy it here. We have copied the contract address. Okay, and we also need the ABI. So ABI is present in your Remix ID. So go back to your Remix ID, copy it. Okay, and then come back to Ether wallet and paste it here. Yes, and then if you press access, then you will get your contract. Okay, so in the Remix program we had a function for addition, we had a function for subtraction, and for doing the last operation. So when in the Ether wallet, when you click as function, it will show you addition, subtraction and last operation. Say let's assume add. Okay, add, we have to give the parameters. Say assume I have given 2 and 3. Okay, and then we have to write, we have to give the input. So it will ask you to generate the transaction. You have to click generate transaction. Yes, I am sure. Then the transaction is broadcasted to the network. It is executed successfully. Now you have to go and check your output. So that is in the last operation. So you will get the answer as 5. So this is how the contract is created, deployed into the Ganache.